tutorial. Today I will tell you how to make a shooting script and a fully animated fireball. So I have created a sprite with movement and jump scripts and a fireball, an explosion and a ground. So let's start. We want player to shoot when key spacebar is pressed. So when key spacebar is pressed, the fireball will create its clone. So let's dive in fireball. So when the project first starts, we want to hide. So when it creates its clone, we want it to show. So now I have made two lists for X and Y of the clone fireball. So let's code. So we want the X and Y to the fireball X and Y fireball Y, and let's make a new variable for number of fireballs and make sure it is only for this sprite. So it will be equal to the length of the list. So in the forever loop, the code in the forever loop will help us to know the current position of the clone. So let's add the movement and the direction of the fireball. So we want the fireball to move until it's touched the edge of the screen or the ground. So at last we want to delete its clone. So now we have to animate our fireball. So let's try it out. So we have to add wait for 1 second in the shooting script. So it's working properly. Now we have to add direction to the fireball. So now let's start it. So it is working. Now let's work with explosion. So as you can see in the list is showing correct X and Y position of the clone. So we want fireball to be deleted when it touches the edge or ground. We don't want decimals in the list, so let's do work with it. So now as you can see, there are no decimals in the list. So now we have to make a broadcast when fireball touches ground or edge, it broadcasts explosion. We are in explosion and we want the explosion to be shown when it creates its clone. We want to create its clone when we broadcast explosion. So we want to go to the clone X and clone Y of the fireball. And now let's add animation to it. So let's try it. as you can see, it's working and it's looking pretty good. So with this script you can make your own shooting script good, and this scratch project is on my scratch account, so go and watch it, and link is in the description below. Thank you.